Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you my new MotoVlog setup that I think is going to work perfectly. And I've played around with a couple different setups and I think this one is the best setup so far for wind noise, sound quality, and basically overall like quality of filming for motovlogs. And the camera that I'm using is a GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition, as you can see, with the media mod, which I think works with 8, 9, and 10 GoPros. And then the helmet that I have right here is a AGV Pista GPRR, and it's a limited edition. It's the fully carbon helmets, and yeah, it's for one of these. So I'm going to show you how to set all this up and how to set up your motovlogging and how everything works. So first of all, like I said, the camera is a Hero 10 Black Edition. This is the mic that I'm using. This is a dead cat, and this is like a whole pack of dead cats that you can order. All of this stuff you can order off Amazon, so I'm going to include the links in the description just so you guys can find it. So to start off, the mount that I'm using is a MotoRadds GoPro like front helmet mount, and it's made specifically for the AGV, so you can mount the GoPro onto it. And then for the mic, this is the mic I'm using, and I got the dead cats. They come in like a pack of 5 on Amazon. I'll include the link to that too, but the dead cats really help for like higher speeds and like wind and all that stuff, especially with these carbon helmets when all the wind is coming in and like there's not as much like sound deadening and all that stuff in them. So when you have a dead cat on, it's a lot better for audio quality when you're speaking at higher speeds. So let me just put everything together and show you how everything is set up, where the mic goes, how the camera is set up. So let me show you right now. Okay, so pretty much this is when everything's installed, this is what the setup ends up looking like. I didn't even use the clip because everything tucks away neatly in like the cheek pads and everything, but just to show you from the outside, this is the mount, this is the camera mounting, and then there's the wire, goes into the media mod, and then it goes into the helmet, as you can see. And if you look in here, you can kind of see the setup. Let me show you. Yeah, if you look in here, you can kind of see the dead cat sticking out a little bit out of the cheek pads. And these cheek pads right here, they just pop out like that. And then all you have to do is, as you can see, just tuck the wiring into there. There's 2 little just snap clips like that hold it. And you tuck your dead cat behind the cheek pad and then just tuck it in so it doesn't get in your way. And then you clip these things back together, and then that's it pretty much. And then everything's nice and tidy. It all stays in, it all stays together, and then the dead cat doesn't like tickle your face, and that's it. You pretty much have the AGV motovlog setup. So I'll include all the links for the stuff in the description, and if you guys have any questions and if you have AGV Pista GPRR, I recommend this setup. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.